Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Hope you had a good trading day today. What a nice move on Bank Nifty and Nifty before the Holi. All the short sellers got trapped. And also, we discussed yesterday. We saw that there was a selling happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but equal amount of buying was also happening. So I told you my view that it might turn out to be a trap, and exactly what happened today in the morning. So let's see, let's analyze, let's screen the market through our through our analysis, the chart analysis as well as the market flow analysis. So if you see from the Nifty side, if you see my screen from a Nifty side, we see a bull satch pattern in the on the daily chart, and what a fantastic move here. So let's see what happened today in the morning in the Nifty. This is my um, chart on the market profile. I told you yesterday it was an emotional selling, and emotional selling is meant to be trapping the people. That's the one of the concept in the market profile. But anyways, that's fine. What happened today? When we opened in the morning, we saw some sellers into Nifty. If you see this 560 contracts, 5496 contracts, and 214 contracts, and they got trapped also in between. And then if you see the buying, the buying that was shown in the morning, 1200 contracts, 1000 contracts, 1300 contracts, 1000 contracts, 1700 contracts, just buying by the big players. If you see in the first half itself, there was 10,000 contracts which were more in the buy side. And yes, this was just an entry that we had, and just fabulously we just carried out this entry till we continued for whole day. If you see every time, the software was showing there was a buying happening again, 1200 contracts here, and we see a big top, that happened today. So we carried our options till the end. I'm very happy with the analysis that we had, and the market profile charts showed, the things. If you see now for Monday, there at this level, there was a very big seller that came into play at this level and at this level. So if you see 3000 contracts, 5000 contracts, they sold at these levels, and if you go down little bit, there were there are more contracts that got sold, at the close. So if you see 2000 contracts, 1300 contracts, 1800 contracts, again if you go down, you see more and more contracts got sold. Yeah, so now again the situation is dicey. The sellers were too much in the numbers, but at one point of time there was a good buying against that selling as well. But at the close, definitely sellers had an upper hand for closing the market. But the buying that I have shown you that happened, it really sets the tone for the market. So I'm not bearish right now, but I'm not very bullish for the Monday at least. We'll see how the software shows about buying and buying behavior of the big players. But as of today, definitely this candle that's there, that happened between 245 and 315, has a huge number of sellers added in. So if we get a good follow through above this levels around 17,230 or 17,500 to 17,730, we definitely see some kind of a higher moves coming into picture. So the numbers that I am tracking right now is 1700, 17,800. This might be the target for now for this up move. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, today had a very fantastic session on the Nifty, guys, on the options as well. And we were holding the options because we saw that the buying is intact and there was no sellers, so we only sold at 315 when we saw that their sellers are coming into the market. So let's see about Bank Nifty. If you see, I told you yesterday, first 40 on RSI plus a bull size pattern, you can't say anything. You don't need to worry much about it. It was in the entry only it was showing that I am bullish. You just need to trade on the CE side with a huge quantity. That's what the charts was talking to me in the morning. And if I show you what happened intraday, yeah, so you interesting for you guys as well to see what happened on the Bank Nifty side, how much buying that happened. So when we started our day, if you see, we had many people selling the contract. Sorry, this is my first session. Let me, sorry, I'm just uh, yeah. So if I see, when we opened the market, so when we opened the market, we had some follow through, but then, you see the buying was increasing. We had the selling at this level, 703, but did not got respected, and we were just getting a more and more contract on the buy side, and then when the candle closed, it was showing 1400 contracts. If you see selling against that, nothing. So market had made his mind to go up, and then it was just going up. And at one point of time here, if you see on this level, 41,150, there was a buyer with 4,287 contracts, and there was no seller against it. If you just see 36 contract sellers, and yeah, it just set a tone for a day. So we carried our bank nifty options till end of the day, and we had a good day on the option side. It's just that easy to crack the market, nothing else. And you see, on my MP chart yesterday only, I told you it was an emotional selling, and yeah, we were seeing good amount of, there might be a huge buying that might happen. So right now I'm tracking the number 41,630. After that we'll see, but as of now, the target is 41,360. And just on a closure note on the bank nifty side, what happened, I'll show you what happened in the last on the selling contracts. So, like nifty, I shown you there were huge sellers that were in the nifty. Similarly, there were few sellers onto bank nifty, but not that big. So bank nifty is still telling me that, okay, look at this candle, there were sellers definitely, but if you see the numbers, 213, 150, not a very big number of selling happened on this. So definitely I'm bullish on the bank nifty side. The target that I have for this up move right now is 41,600, and after that definitely huge targets are coming in. But we will see step by step. We will see how intraday is progressing, and how the buying is happening on the order flow. So before that, we will not take a such just a prediction decision. But yes, overall sentiment is bullish. And as we discussed yesterday about small cap and mid caps, yes, you see the rallies continues on small and mid caps. And what a day it was! It was just an amazing day for, for an option buyer or a stock buyer and all and all. And just to add, the Nifty closed with 20, Bank Nifty closed with 20,000 contracts from a buy side at the end of the day. Plus, Nifty closed with 18,000 contract. It is showing the passion or the buying atmosphere. But I'm only worried about this candle what I shown you, the 245 to 315, where we need to be a little bit cautious about on the Monday. But after that we will see, and definitely after such a big rally, market tends to take a pause, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, overall sentiment for now is bullish. Yeah, so that's my view for today. You guys, hope you guys have enjoyed it. Before going, I'll just share my disclaimer that this is my just view, what happened today, and this is just for educational purpose. Don't take any investment or trade decision based on that. Please consult your financial or advisor for this. Yeah, and definitely just for my channel, I'm very new. I was not there so many days on YouTube or somewhere, because I was doing my trades. But now when I reached one position where I thought, okay, the information that I have is good to share with the people, so I'm just here. So once our channel starts growing, we see more and more things, I'll come up with the videos on multiple things like Bitcoin, gold, silver, USD, INR, anything that you want to see, we can go ahead, and we will have much more deeper analysis for the stocks and indices, going forward, as we get more and more support. But thanks for now. I think you really enjoyed today's session. I hope you will enjoy the next sessions. Happy Holi to all in advance. Enjoy the festival with your friends and family. And as I said, always be passionate about the markets. If you are passionate, other things just just can be taken care. So be passionate about the markets.